Hey everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube page. This is Keenan Grant at Valley Toyota in Chilliwack, your Toyota guy, servicing Fraser Valley and surrounding areas. Check this out. This is the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This is an LE upgrade package. I'll do a quick little walk around for you so you can see what's new to the car. Coming around the front end, you can tell it's a drastic look, very familiar to its brother slash sister, the Corolla hatchback. I'll continue walking around the outside here. Full LED front headlamp. A nice 17-inch alloy wheel. This is the super white as well, as you can see. Make my way to the back. You got the LED tail lamps. And I will continue my little walk around here. What a car though, drastic changes. I'll make my way inside here. I'll start with the front seats. Nice subtle cloth interior, height adjustable seat, driver's side as well. Hop inside here. Full new speedometer. You have digital display as well as your classic speedometer as well as your tachometer there too. Check out your fuel economy ratings, eco indicator with your distance till empty indicator. All new lane trace assist that links in with your lane departure warning and adaptive cruise or dynamic radar cruise control, I should say. Trip distances, settings for the safety equipment, which include the lane trace, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and new bicycle detection in daylight only, and your blind spot monitoring. No rear cross traffic alert available for the 2019 Corolla that links in, that used to link in with the blind spot monitoring. On your steering wheel, everything's nice and accessible. Your Bluetooth options. Volume control, voice recognition, some buttons hiding out over here. Heated steering wheel exclusive to your upgrade packages, which you also gain the sunroof and an alloy wheel, auto high beams, as well as a windshield wiper de-icer. As we make our way over to our new massive 7-inch display map, I've connected my phone here so you can see you have the Scout GPS option, as well as for apps. You have access to Entune. With me being Android, I'm using Entune. For all of you Apple users, we finally have Apple CarPlay. It's super exciting. So all of you Apple users have access to your maps, other apps, things like Spotify, those kind of things. Again, nice and simple. Bluetooth display, fuel economy display, and your Bluetooth audio. As you can see there, I've got the John Denver going, nice and classic. Heated seats hiding out down below, high and low option, as well as your wireless charger for compatible phones. Nice simple shifter, as well as the electronic parking brake. Sunroof and the sunroof buttons are hiding out up top here. So there's your sunroof buttons, as well as the sunroof. Rear seats. Again, I've sat in the back of this. We're locked up here. Nice subtle cloth interior, pass-through seats with your anchor points. I find there to be more legroom than previous generation. I've owned a Corolla myself. First thing I did was sit in the back and notice much more legroom. And again, Corolla has always had their nice large trunks as well. Like I said, I'll keep it quick. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. It's Keenan Grant at Valley Toyota in Chilliwack, your Toyota guy and Toyota specialist servicing the surrounding area. This is our first 2020 Corolla. Like I said, the LE upgrade. Thanks again. We'll have more coming. Get a hold of me. Make sure you're taking care of your Toyota guy in Chilliwack. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon.